Hi everyone, sorry for my accent, I'm French, but I will try to show you how to fix your throttle on scooter XIAOMI m365. The symptom is simple, it's a lack of acceleration when you push the throttle. You can also hear one long beep and 4 short beeps when you start the scooter. You can repair this problem in less than 15 minutes. So, the first thing to do is to pull the handle. To manage to do it, you have to slide the rubber straight along the handlebar. You can force a little because the handle rubs but isn't fixed. Once the rubber is removed, you have to lift that cover, which is just pasted. You need to insert a small screwdriver on the slit and turn a little. You can see it only holds with a point of glue and you access to the screw that we will loosen. To disassemble the headlight, you have to loosen 2 screws. This one, which is on the top, and another below. We can see it here, underneath the headlight, in the middle of the screen. We will also loosen it. Now I can withdraw the headlight and I can access to 3 other screws. You need to have Allen wrenches to disassemble. Once you have disassembled the headlight, you pull the handlebar to release the gray rubber cylinder. On it, you can see a white hose clamp that you must cut off. I used a knife to break it, but be careful, you mustn't tear the rubber. You can lift the cylinder and you arrive to the cable connections. Now you have to disconnect the throttle cables. They are red, green and black. To remove the throttle, you have to return the handlebar and to loosen the screw which is in this hole. I slide the accelerator on the right along the handlebar. Don't lose the black rubber to keep the waterproofness of your scooter. Now you can rewind with your new throttle in the reverse direction. I take the link and I put it in the hole of the handlebar to reconnect it. I put all the cables in the gray cylinder and tighten a new hose clamp to conserve the waterproofness. Don't forget to tighten the 3 screws for your security because they hold the handlebar. You have to tighten enough to avoid the handlebar to drop when you will brake. I tighten the 2 screws of the headlight and it remains to put the black rubber to protect cables from rain. So make sure the rubber well touches the side of the headlight. Now tighten the screw of the throttle. And to finish, slide the handle and put the cover on the top. You can use glue if you want, but I think it remains enough to stick to the scooter. So, sorry for the quality. I hope this video was nevertheless useful for you. Thumb up to say thanks. Take care. See you soon.